Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. It's been a busy day.
Seems like it.
Oh yeah. I met you at Sundown Show, I think. You have a really nice system.
Oh yeah.
Well, are those like pocket port pieces for the trunk to breathe in the top, or
Is what?
what's those top two oval things?
Well, that used to be where the 6x9s were, but then
Okay.
I took them out so I could port the deck.
Got it. That's pretty smart. Okay.
I think I broke my windshield.
Really?
I think I broke my back window. It won't go up.
Uh-oh. Let me try. There you
Oh,
go.
there we go. Okay. Phew.
Yeah. Hopefully it's just the switch
I
pop,
don't
baby.
want to break that.
Awesome. Anyway, what's your name and what's in here? Like I don't know. Go ahead.
Okay, so I'm Marty Gaskin, and I got 4 Sundown View Series 12s in the bag, and a custom Gately built box on a Sundown Salt 8.
And that box would they?
And they're
Man.
wired at
Okay.
wired at half on.
Okay. Did that box slide in like that? Did it fit really snug, or how'd you get it in there?
It's snug.
Yeah.
I wanted to invert the subs, but they won't invert because they won't fit.
The motors won't. Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it. How's the SPL on this? If you've done it, any tests on it?
So it does a 171 in the port. I did that today, so that was the highest one I've done because it's normally a 170. And it does a 151 on the windshield and 153 in the kick.
Wow.
And it does a 53 to 52 with music.
That's pretty good for a trunk build.
Yeah.
Awesome. Are you happy with it?
Oh yeah, I love my car.
Awesome. Is this like do you drive this outside of shows?
This
Daily
is
driver.
my daily driver.
Okay. Okay. And you got a nice brace. That's nice. That helps a lot.
My husband has built all the metal in here.
Okay.
So all the brackets for the amp and the braces and stuff, he's built all of them.
Very nice. Awesome. Pretty crazy to be able to see how much space is coming out of your vehicle outside the vehicle too.
Oh yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
You ever ride down the?
Better open.
Yeah.
Oh, do I ride down the road with it like this?
No.
I do.
Really? Oh wow. Hello. Oh wow. What's going on, man? I was checking out the back. It's pretty cool. Nice. Wow. It's a unique box layout. You like it? Well, thank you for showing me. We can play a song if I'd love to hear it. Yeah. You keep the trunk open, it's louder?
Yeah, it's louder open.
Okay. Thank you very much for the demo. What was your name?
Marty.
Marty, okay. Really good job with the build, I like it. Pretty crazy to be able to see how much space is coming out of your vehicle, outside the vehicle too.
Oh yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
You ever ride down the...
Better open.
Yeah.
Oh, do I ride with it like this?
No.
I do.
Really? Oh wow. You have a good day.